Hey guys, welcome to another episode of R&Dgarage. So you notice I'm all masked up today, but it's super duper worth it because two of my dearest friends are here and I haven't seen them in months, and so we have a bit of a studio audience. And my friend also brought his camera, so you'll notice things are going to be a little bit different on season 2 of R&Dgarage. Anyway, I'm super excited. We're working on our 1967 Mustang Fastback today. We've got, some ideas of what we're going to do with her. We're going to go fuel injected, we're going to install electric windows, but today we're just going to kind of rip the motor apart a little bit. So come along for the ride. And again, I want to thank all my new subscribers. We hit over 400! Yay! Super excited. So thank you guys again for liking videos, for sharing, and there's so much more to come on this channel, you won't even believe it. Come along. Okay guys, so we're just gonna do a few things on the Fastback today. I'm gonna go ahead and drain the coolant. I'm gonna pull the plug wires, disconnect the battery, and take off the valve covers. So let's get started. Okay, let's start with the battery. So we're pulling the positive cable off. There we go, setting that aside. And now we're gonna go ahead and yank these plug wires. There we go. I'm going to move these to the side, and I'm going to take them off down here as well. Actually, you know what? I'm going to leave those there for now. Dangle. Come on, guy. Sometimes you have to give them just a little shake here. Whew, there we are. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and take off the valve covers now. Let's go ahead and pull those valve covers off. And I can't even tell you the last time these were off. Feels so good to be working on this. And some of them fell. That's okay. Okay, I may not, let's see. There we go. And actually, assistant, can you hold the magnetic? He knows exactly what I'm talking about. Thank you. Yay. There we go. And okay. Actually, I think I'm gonna. Whew, that may not fit. That is not gonna fit. Okay, so I'm gonna grab my ratchet. Make sure it's on off. Not used to working in such a big engine compartment anymore. Perfect. Okay, and we've got one more. It's going to be a little bit of a bear. close. Let's see, it's still on off. Thank you. When in doubt, switch tools. There. Beautiful. Okay, so this, we may have to break it a little bit, but let's see. My assistant's already handed me, yep, the parking brake and the braking tool. Okay, let's see if that does it. Ah, perfect. Okay guys, first one is off. Let's go ahead, set this aside, and move on to the other. Okay guys, let's tackle that other valve cover. This is a lifesaver, I'm telling you guys. We'll put the tool number, part number, back on the video. Awesome tool. And actually, there we go, get that out of the way. There we go. Whew. Little swivelly head. Okay. I think I can, no, I can't do that. Okay. Let's go. Perfect. Okay, I think I have to use the tool, yep, the ratchet for the rest. And make sure it's still on off. No. Perfect. It's this, and now we have the one in the corner. Okay. And make sure you get this one at the right angle. There we are. Okay, perfect. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and, oh, apparently this one didn't need a trip to the hammer. Perfect. Okay, you guys, time to move on. Okay guys, let's go ahead and drain that coolant. So remember, you always want to have your bucket placed before you drain, no spills. And go ahead and take off the cap first, or else it's not going to drain. There we go. Okay. So I'm going to scoot it forward just a little bit more. And we're just going to let this drain. This is perfect. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this little snippet of me working on our 1967 Mustang Fastback. I'm super excited to bring the rest of the project to you in the following weeks and months, so keep an eye out for it. And as always, I want to thank everyone who watches this channel, who likes the videos, who shares it. You guys mean the world to me, and I mean that. So be safe out there, and I'll be bringing you another video very shortly.